Hi everybody. So I'm making these short couple videos just to help people with the FIBA exam. The first video is about how to register on the GamePlan website. If you have not created an account yet there, you really need to do that as soon as possible so that your NOCP level can be confirmed by them before you can actually get access to the exam. So in order to do this, you need to go to www.gameplanbasketball.ca, and once you get onto this site, the most important thing for you to do is please click on officials first. It's right in the heading up here. It's a red button. It says coaches and officials. Please click on officials before you do anything else. And it should say CB Canada Basketball Officials, and then this blue line says you are in the officials area. If that is not the case, you really need to make sure that you're in the right area. If you register as a coach, you will not have access to the exam. So to make an account on the GamePlan website, if you have not done so yet, once you have clicked on officials, click on this big register button. It is going to ask you what country you're in. For whatever reason, we're in Canada. It's going to ask you if you want the paid version or the free version. Click on free. Make up whatever username you want, whatever password you want. And then for the rest of the field, the NCCP number, it says optional. You do not have to put anything in there. Fill in the rest of the information with your contact info. This field that says access ID, you can leave it blank. It even tells you now, leave blank if unknown. The question, are you a referee coach? The answer is no, so do not check this. Then select your NOCP level. Again, if you are a new official to our board this year, you are a prospect. If you are a level 1 or 2 on our board, then you are an NOCP 1. If you are a level 3 on our board, you are an NOCP 2. And then everybody else should know if they're 3, 4, 5. If not, you can email me. Once you've filled all this out, click on continue. And I don't remember if there's another question past this, but you should get registered. You should get an email confirmation soon after, especially the next day, confirming that your NOCP level is correct, and so on. Once you have done this, you can click on the next video and watch how to access the exam.